Tropical butterflies of South America and Africa encompass a part of the world's arthropod population. These butterflies are crucial to tropical ecosystems, which have suffered from the effects of climate change. Increasing temperatures have created a huge impact on the biodiversity of these organisms.
Tropical butterflies serve an important role in ecological balance, allowing us to understand our environment further due to their presence or absence. This is based on their primary consumer role, being plant pollinators, eliminating undesirable vegetation, and a food source for secondary consumers. Increasing temperatures have negatively impacted tropical butterflies in the following ways: their life cycle, performance, and survival due to their sensitivity to external means of heat. This was further supported by our independent research data.
The independent research data was obtained by analyzing the lifespan of butterflies from both South America and Africa. The South American butterflies have come from areas with high rates of deforestation, including parts of Brazil, Peru, and Ecuador. The African butterflies have come from areas of high deforestation, including parts of Kenya, Mozambique, and Zimbabwe. Based on our independent research project, we observed survival in varying temperatures that mimic the effects of climate change. An example, by higher temperatures and decreased humidity, concluded that it is imperative butterflies experience optimal conditions in nature. The success of butterfly survival constitutes a key part in a healthy ecosystem.
To conclude, nature is extremely complex, and it takes multiple disciplines to bring balance back to ecosystems. Horticulturists, entomologists, and conservation specialists should work together to preserve these beautiful and dynamic areas of our world. It is vital for future generations.